Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, maybe it's a problem of your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Spotify or SoundCloud or some another app. You need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Then check, and also I recommend to check if you have the last version of this application. So go to the Play Store or App Store and check it and update if you haven't. If it didn't help you, next step is to update your software version. To do this, we need to use Galaxy Wearable application. Tap on it and then scroll down. If you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu. You need to go to earbud settings and then scroll down again. At the bottom we have earbud software update. Tap at this line and then tap download and install. It checks for updates and it said that I have the last software version, but you can update it if you haven't here. And I recommend to do this. If it didn't help you, next step is to restart your device. So I use these earbuds with this phone and I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart a tablet. If all of these methods didn't help you, I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also open Galaxy Wearable app and then scroll down and go to earbud settings again. Scroll down just a bit. Right here we have reset line, and you need to tap at this line, then click reset, and now your earbuds removed from your phone and from the application. So let's reconnect it. Open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. If you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and after that tap at your earbuds at the device list and then click pair, because after factory reset these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. And next let's reconnect it to the app. So we need to again open Galaxy Wearable app, click start. Right here you tap at your earbuds and you can sign in into your account and skip it. I'm going to skip it. And we need to check only this first line to go to the next step, but you can also select all of them and then click agree. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!